In this video, I will show you how to convert negative number into 0. So we can see we have some negative numbers in this data. So select them, right click and format cells. Here guys, you have to select custom. Now type here this formula, hash, then comma, double hash, then semicolon. Now quotation mark, so double quotation mark, then 0, then double quotation mark again. So this is the formula. Click on OK. Now we can see all the negative number is appear 0. Thanks for watching.